With the pump housing removed, we can now disassemble the pistons. With the casting face down, the cylinders are easily removed from their individual housings. The nick in the top of the cylinder casting indicates the top and that it is a Hydra-Cell pump. There is a K engraved on the face of the casting that also indicates Hydra-Cell. A G simply signifies that all the threads are metric. The hydraulic piston assembly can now be disassembled. Inspect all parts and replace all O-rings and any other parts which are worn or damaged. The spring is held in the assembly on a taper and can be removed by turning it against itself counterclockwise. Once this has been withdrawn, the other components come apart readily and cleanly, but removing the balls, ball retainer and O-rings may take a little encouragement. By removing the circlip, the piston foot can then be removed, and the piston assembly has been completely disassembled for inspection and replacement of any worn parts. It is good engineering practice to replace all the O-rings each time a piston is disassembled.